After that, I joined JSpiders Basavanagudi. Here I had an excellent experience where my trainers, especially in mall batch, our trainers are very helpful and they are very friendly. It's a very good place to upgrade our skills, and especially the mall batch trainers like Sayed sir, Vivek sir, and Nityana. They helped us a very lot and they cleared every doubt at any time. And they provide guidance like how patients will they teach us. It's a very good environment to gain some knowledge from the J Spider, and yeah, it is a good place to upgrade our skills.